Here's a simple sugar scrub recipe with olive oil. For this recipe, you need 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of olive oil. Olive oil is so good for your skin, you guys, and after you use this scrub, especially on your hands, you're going to feel amazing. About 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. I'm using spearmint here, and paired with the olive oil, it's going to smell so good. And now stir until it's all blended really well. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. Now we find that this recipe is a good sugar to oil ratio, but you can adjust that ratio to fit your taste if you like a little bit more oil or even a little bit less. This recipe will fit right into a 500 milliliter mason jar, which is great for right beside the sink if you're making this for like a hand scrub. And if you're making this for a shower or bath, it's best to use a wider plastic container with a snap lid, and I'll link some that I found on Amazon below. And no handmade scrub is complete without a handmade label, and we have some for you that you can download from our website. We made these especially for these lids, so they fit on perfectly. And for an extra special touch, just add some baker's twine or some ribbon and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to see more of our videos. Till next time, have a beautiful day.